Peace and love, all my yarny friends. Can you dig it? It's Decade Divas, 70s style. Peace, love, and all things Granny Square. How is everyone doing today? This is groovy, man. Can you dig it? This is my interpretation or what I have been inspired to make based on the 1970s. Here is my granny square top that is tied on the side and my granny striped pants. And if you're wondering about the buttons, that's a joke that if you watched our lives with me and Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher, you know about the polka dot pants. So I just had to throw that in there. If you don't know what it means, polka dot pants, then I challenge you to go over to Shannon's channel, go to her playlist, and for our lives, and find the polka dot pant video. So, welcome, guys. It is finally September. It is finally time for the 70s Decade Divas and all things 70s. We've got the toned the glasses. We've got the flower power, babe. We've got it all 70s for all of you. All things groovy and all things 70s. So, make sure that you go over and watch Shannon's video today. We also have this week, this is the first week, so today you'll have me and Shannon from the Spoonie Stitcher, and then starting on the 6th, which is Saturday, let's see, yes, this is Tuesday the 2nd, Saturday, September 6th. Stay tuned for K&K Crochet with KK and Kristen to see what they've made that's inspired them by the 70s. And also the Sonnet Silence and Guinspired Creations, Ashley. I will have all of this in the description box below, guys. I will have the list of all of the content creators that are joining us for this fun Decade Divas 70s party, and I hope you will watch every one of them. Go through the description box. If you notice a channel that you haven't subscribed to yet, I encourage you to go check them out and see what they've made. Each Tuesday and Saturday of September and October, we will have 2 to 3 content creators that will be showing us what they've made that has inspired us by the 70s. So, and each week, the ones that show on Tuesday will be announcing who else will be showing the video with them on Tuesday and who will be showing a video on Saturday. All right. The Saturday people, they will be sharing who will be showing the videos the next Tuesday and Saturday. So we're announcing who they are, but we will also have the channels listed in the description box below. So you guys tell me what you think about my 70s get up. What do you think about my 70s project? I'm sure from the thumbnail you guessed it. It's full on 70s in the thumbnail. So I appreciate you guys watching. Head over to Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher to see what she's made. I cannot wait to see that video. And guys, let's get groovy. Let's watch all the 70s videos that are going to be up this month and in October. Remember, hit that like button. That thumbs up doesn't cost a thing. It doesn't cost a thing to subscribe to these channels, so do that to help support. And also leave a comment below, because those comments are what's going to help boost the algorithm and tell YouTube to show our videos. Shannon is going to, at the end of each week, she is going to be adding, or well, at the end of this week, she will be making a playlist and she will be adding the videos to that playlist as they come out. So make sure you check her playlist. It should be labeled Decade Divas 70s or something like that. And she's going to make a playlist of everyone's videos. So just in case you're not able to watch and you miss it, she'll have that video in the playlist for you to go check out. But please leave a comment on everybody's video. Show the love. Show how much you love them, and leave a nice comment about what they've made for the Decade Divas 1970s. And we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Peace and love.